How to install SSL when the site is not secured. So let's go to this particular site. You can see not secured. I want to remove not secured from this particular site. I want the site to secure for free. So what I'm going to do is that to try to go to 0 SSL file. Then I need to open an email for steban.co.uk. So I'm going to get the certificate here for free. Get the certificate for free. So I'm going to get it under the 0 SSL file. So what's the name of the site? steban.co.uk. It's not secured. Let me see. Secure free certificate. So I think for free plan, next step, email is already exists. Let me log in since the emails already exist. So trying to look for new certificate for another new domain. This is the domain I'm seeking for. Let's write the domain name properly. Okay, next step. So I want 90 days certificate. That a year is for money. It's not free. Get my security position. It is okay. Next, move to the next stage. Select next stage. It will ask me to enter my email. Okay, admin. I'm going to create this particular email, admin.steban.co, to enable me complete the process. So okay, admin. Let me go and create admin.co. I think I'm in the control panel for steban.co.uk. I can go to the email and create admin. Email, this email accounts. I want to create an email for admin. So this is create creating email. Admin email. Create then passwords. Let me enter 2025. So I've created the email. Yeah, it has been created successfully. So the email admin has been created successfully. Then I can go back to enter. Yeah, next, this email particularly has been created. So the email will be verified to ensure that I'm the owner of the email before the certificate is created. So once it's verified, a link has been sent to the email. So I can go back to the email and check for the link of verification that has been sent to the email. Once I got the link, I validate. Then I can go back to download. The certificate. Yeah, since the link has been sent, so what this the verification code, I can go to verification page and copy and paste the link. Click next. Thank you. I shall close the window. It has been verified. So I can go back to the particular site. Congratulations, the certificate has been what? Let me refresh my status because the link has been the link has been created. So the next thing is to download, install the certification. I copy the certificate here. So next step, let's download it. So it has been downloaded. So I can open the bond. I can open it with either visual code. Let me copy it here. Let me extract it so that I can extract the downloaded file. So I can use a visual code to open the CA bonds. Good. I can also open the certificate bond using the same CA. I can also open the primary keyboard. So the 3 has been opened. So what next is to go back to my control panel, my C panel. Let me go back to my C panel. From the C panel, I can go to my status SSL. Once I go there, manage SSL sites. You can manage SSL sites. So I can copy and paste the certificate here and install. So let me go to my Visual Studio Code. This is a private key. Ctrl A to copy, to select all, copy. Then go back to the site, paste this one under private. I begin private key. Go to the private key. This is my private key. I paste it there. Then I can go back to my Visual Studio Code. I think this one has been settled. Go to the certificate also. Copy it. Ctrl C, Ctrl A to copy, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy. Then you go back down here. I think this certificate, you paste it here. So I can go back to my SSL, then CT bond, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl C to Ctrl A to Ctrl C to copy. So I go back here, I put it here, Ctrl V to paste. So now it's to install. Yeah. The next thing to do what? I think maybe there's a mistake somewhere. Sorry. I need to select the domain. Then install. The domain has been installed and the SSL has been installed. So good, it has been installed. So you can see that it's locked. It's secured. You can see the keys there. It's secured. So that's how to get SSL for free and secure your websites. So thank you.